Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lose weight step by step. First, let's set some realistic goals. Aim for a steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds each week for sustainable results. Begin by tracking your current food intake and activity levels to understand your starting point. Remember, consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise plan is always a smart first step. Next, let's talk about smart eating habits. Focus on incorporating plenty of whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, such as fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. It's also crucial to cut back on sugary beverages and highly processed snacks. Paying attention to your portion sizes will help you manage your caloric intake without feeling deprived, making your journey much smoother. Now, let's get moving. Regular physical activity is a cornerstone of weight loss. Try to get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, like brisk walking or cycling. Don't forget to include strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Building muscle helps boost your metabolism. Choose activities you genuinely enjoy to ensure you stick with them long-term. Finally, consistency and lifestyle factors are key to sustaining your progress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as good rest supports your metabolism and energy levels. Effectively managing stress through activities like meditation or hobbies can also prevent emotional eating. Remember, lasting weight loss is about making sustainable lifestyle changes, not just quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.